Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing safe and you guys are doing great. So I bought the CVS matchups and breakdown for the next week, December 6th till December 12th. Rather than wasting more time of yours, let's go to deal one by one. First deal is on Hershey Holiday Kisses. I think we all got the $2 off 2 instant coupon this week actually, November 29th. So if you will buy 2, you will get back $2 extra bucks. Buy 2 Hershey Kisses for $6. Use that instant coupon and that reduces your total to $4. After rolling $4 extra bucks, you can get $2 extra bucks, making it $2 for both of the Hershey Kisses. I think this is the right price. Sometimes we can get more cheaper too, but $2, $1 for each of the Hershey Kisses, that can be justified. Let's go to next. So this week we already had a good deal on Colgate. That was money maker actually, $4 for, like, you can get $4 for that. That is really good deal. But next week also we are going to get another deal that Colgate $3.49 that is going to be, and we all are going to get $2 instant coupon when you will scan your card on Redbox machine. 50 cent off Colgate coupon also that is coming next week in Smart Source. That you can combine both of the coupon, reducing the total to 99 cent. And so Scott paper towel is going to be spend 10, get $2 extra bucks. When you buy 2, Scott is going to be $5.49. So when you buy 2, it will be more than $10. You can use your BOGO CRTs if that is going to work on paper CRT, because last week I had CRT that is only for Babo paper towel, but Babo toilet paper actually. But if you have BOGO CRT for paper towel as well, don't forget to combine that. That will reduce your total to $5.49 and get back $2 extra bucks. And if you don't have that CRT, then it is going to be a little bit like around $4.49 or something. But with that CRT, it is $3.49 for both of them. I think $3.49 is the right price for both, because we don't get that much cheaper. I will definitely, if you have that CRT, definitely go ahead to buy this paper towel. Let's go to next. So Hallmark is again going to be $2. If you have that CRT of $4 of 4, or if you have buy 3 get $3 extra bucks CRT, don't forget to combine them. That will definitely reduce your total. So I have 4 of 4, but my card says $2.49, $2.99 actually for them. So if you have that CRT, don't forget to combine them. Hallmark is really going great this month as well. So buy 3 get $3 extra bucks with a limit of 1. When you buy 4 Hallmark, because of the CRT I said 4, so 4 Hallmark of $2, that will be $8 total, and you will use both CRT of $4 of 4 Hallmark CRT. That will reduce your total to $0, and you will get back $3 extra bucks. Final price is $3 money maker. So next deal is on Gillette and Venus. Venus is going to be 1 for $9.99, and when you buy 1, you will get back $4 extra bucks. So I had $3 of $10 Venus CRT and $3 of Gillette CRT. And in our CVS app, we are going to get $2 of Gillette or Venus coupon as well. You can send to cart. All those 3, use them. That will reduce your total to $1.99. You will get back $4 extra bucks, making it $2 money maker. If you don't have those CRTs, you might have 5 of 20. I have another scenarios on the Razor as well. Let's go to that. So this is for Schick. Schick is going to be spend 15, get $5 extra bucks. So in this scenario, I'm discussing about 3 Schick disposables. So if you buy 3 Schick disposables for $6.99 each, you can use $5 of 20 Razor CRT. You can use 3 coupons of $3. That is going to be coming in Smart Source next week. That will reduce your total to $6.97. You will get back $5 extra bucks, making it $1.97 for all 3 of them. I think that's a decent price. If you have $3 of 12 CRT, I have that scenario as well. Let's go to that one. So again, you will buy 3 Schick disposable, $6.99. You can use $3 of 12 Razor CRT and use 3 of $3 coupons from next week insert. This will be a little bit costly because our what do you call that CRT that has been reduced the total amount, so that's why we are going to pay $8.97 and you will get back $5 extra bucks, making $3.97 for all three of them for you. I think I will pass on this deal if these are the CRT, but if you are in urgent need, you can use this. If you have Skintimate CRT, I am going to discuss that one now. Buy 3 Skintimate, same price. You have to use $5 of $20 Razer CRT plus $4 of 2 Skintimate CRT and use 3 coupons of $3. That will reduce your total to $2.97. You will get back $5 extra bucks, making it $2 money maker. If you have 3 of 12 Razer CRT and Skintimate CRT, combine them, these will be free of cost. So in that scenario, that will be helpful. So I think now you have all 3 scenarios. You can combine your CRTs accordingly, and that can help you in reducing the price. Let's go to next. So CoverGirl is going to be spend 18, get $6 extra bucks. Buy 3 CoverGirl Twin Eyebrow. They were $6.49 at my store, and use $3 of 15 CoverGirl CRT. Use 3 coupons. We all are going to get CoverGirl Eye coupon in next week's Smart Source, and we are going to get mystery coupon of I'm guessing $3 for CoverGirl. So all these CRTs and coupons that will reduce our total to $4.47. We will get back $6 extra bucks free and $1.53 money maker. If you have those CRTs, don't forget to combine them with the coupon. That will definitely reduce your total. Let's go to next. So Maybelline is going to be buy 2 get $5 extra bucks. Buy 2 Maybelline for $4.39 eyeshadows. Use that $4 off Maybelline CRT that we got this week. So that will reduce your total to $4.78. You will get back $5 extra bucks, making it 22-cent money maker. I think that's a decent price. I'm going to pass on this deal because I'm already stocked up on Maybelline. So yeah, that's it. Let's go to next. Tresemme is going to be buy 1 get 1 50% off, and when you buy 2, you will get back $2 extra bucks. This is on 28 ounce. So 28 ounce is going to be $4.99 and other will be $2.50. We all are getting a Tresemme coupon in Retail Me Not next week, and I have $2 off Tresemme CRT as well. So in this scenario, if we combine that will reduce your total to 49 cent. You will get back $2 extra bucks, making it $1.51 money maker. I have hair care CRT as well, $4 $18. So I will share that, but before that I have to share Dove hair care CRTs. Let's go there. So Dove women hair care is buy 2 get $2 extra bucks. Dove 12 ounce if you will buy, that is $5.39 at my store. If you will buy 2 of them, use $4 of 2 Dove, that is going to be next week insert. That will reduce your total to $6.78. You will get back $2 extra bucks, making it $4.78 for both of them. If we combine both deal, let's go to that scenario. If we combine both Dove women's hair care and Tresemme shampoo as well, then we can buy 2 Dove 12 ounce and Tresemme 28 ounce. You can use $4 off 2 Dove Retail Me Not coupon, $5 of 2 Tresemme coupon, and $2 Tresemme CRT, $4 of 18 hair care CRT. If you have any other CRT, like sometimes we get $2 of Dove shampoo CRT, $3 of Dove shampoo CRT, $3 of Dove hair care CRT, combine them with that will reduce your total as well. So according to this scenario, this will reduce $3.27. You will get back $2 for Tresemme, $2 for Dove. Final price will be free and 73 cent money maker. I will definitely suggest you to combine that will reduce your total and help you in saving more too. Let's go to next. Spend 30 get $10 extra bucks. So in this scenario, again you can buy 1 Tide detergent for $5.94, buy 1 Tide Pods for $4.94, buy 1 L'Oreal moisturizer for $19.79. You can use $2 off coupon from P&G November insert. Tide detergent PNG November insert for $2. $3 of L'Oreal from coupons.com. And if you have two CRTs of $6, you can combine them with this and use $5 or 15 L'Oreal facial care CRT as well. If you have two CRTs of $5 or 15, then you can do this week scenario same as well. You can buy moisturizer plus the mask. That will reduce your total to $667. You will get back $10 extra bucks. Final price will be free plus $3.33 money maker. So these were the scenario for this week. I hope you like it. I hope this will help you in planning for the coming week. And I'm definitely going for share my haul. Stay tuned for that next week. And that will help you in like updates, whatever is going on, or is there any other reduction, something that will help you as well. Thank you for watching. Really appreciate your time.